Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link your website to the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to go into the Pinterest app, and here in the it opens up in the home menu where we have our suggestions, our feed. From here we have to go into the saved menu, and then in the top right corner we find the little cog. If you tap on the little cog, then we can go into the settings. And then in the settings, at the top, we find edit profile. If you tap on this and scroll down to the bottom, we find the website tab. If we tap on that, we can enter our website's link. If we have a Shopify account, we can add it here, or if we want to share our Spotify playlist, we can add it here. And after it's done, we just tap on the done button in the top right corner and it's going to save it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.